How to open multiple screens in iPad or iPhone. Very simple technique. Just follow the steps and you will definitely learn how to do it. So let's begin. Here is the home screen of iPad. Now I wish to open multiple apps over a single screen. Suppose I am choosing YouTube to open first. Now YouTube open. I am going to my channel. Now I want to open suppose Google Chrome or another app over it. So what I have to do, I just come down below and scroll upwards a bit. Here this type of icon will appear over screen. Now hold Google Chrome button a bit and drag towards right side. See Google Chrome open on right side. You can drag over it towards right side or left side according to your convenience. I want to open another app over it. Again just come below and scroll a bit upwards. Suppose I am choosing file. Just hold a bit and drag. So here I have opened file and Google Chrome and YouTube over it. Now here you can see this black line. You just touch over it and just pull upwards. You see how much app is open over there, and you can switch between these two apps easily by pushing upwards and by selecting what you wish to. Now what happens is that sometimes you wish to see this towards half screen. You wish to see this towards half screen. So what I have to do, you just have to see this black line. You hold this and just drag towards right side and left side, just towards corner. It is better to drag like this, that will be better. Now screen are split into two halves. I can see both the screen. Now here you can see there is a bar. If you wish to enlarge a screen and smaller other screen, just hold over it and just drag over it towards right side or left side. So a screen will open and another screen will be small in size. Here full screen open for files. Now you wish to go back, scroll from right side a bit, just right side. Here Google Chrome arise. So what you have to do, right now you wish to open two apps side by side, just hold over this button and drag towards diagonally, and here two app is open over there. Okay, and you wish to keep Google Chrome over there, so like this. So very simple technique. Another thing is that by this technique we can do multiple works basically. What kind of work? Suppose you just go to keypad note, and what happens when we want to paste or create something, it will be very difficult. Now suppose I wish to add some picture over it from Google. So what will happen, you just go over there, open Chrome, and suppose go to images and search an image. You just press over it and drag over it, image will come here. See, I am dragging this. So this way workflow will increase. Now what happens when this opens, all apps usually open in iPad. So if you wish to get out of it, you just click over it and all app will gone. Another thing will happen, suppose here you can see only these three apps are available. So just showing this so that will be more clear. Now if you wish to open suppose a app, for example Netflix app or another app or number app, but this is not available over here na. So this will not come to a split screen, because what we have to do, we have to just click over it and then drag up down then. So what happen if you wish to add numbers here, suppose I am choosing number, just click over number once, app will open. Now if you scroll down, you see number app arises here. So what will happen, this is YouTube and now number arise, just hold and come over here.